Center, either during school or during your privilege period.
A fusion of a club and a class, robotics is a class at the S.T.E.M Center with many kinds of gears. I went with reporter Ryan Popick to get the story.
Have you ever thought about joining robotics? Well, I sat down with 3 students from the class to get some intel.
We're like a group of people who support each other, help each other grow, and that's just what I love. I love the companionship, the family aspect, and how while we learned engineering skills and I could help me with my future profession, we also cared about each other and grew together. I joined robotics never doing robotics before. I'd never done anything before robotics related, and now I'm the president. Honestly, the community in this club is that we work together, we help each other grow, and no matter what a novice you are, we will help you grow and to reach your goals. So I feel no, you don't need any prior experience, and it's not a hard club to join if you don't know robotics.
Next, we sat down with the build lead of robotics to ask him questions.
Especially building, you come in with no experience as a sophomore or a freshman, and you're immediately met with all these type of tools, type of design stuff, and just these concepts that you don't understand. So there's a lot of learning. Try it for 3 months. If you don't try it for that long, you won't be able to actually experience the whole thing. If you just try for maybe 2-3 meetings, you're never going to be able to experience what you will experience the whole time. It's just because the first few meetings aren't exactly what you expect robotics would be, but after that, it gets much better.
And last, we spoke to the president of the build team.
I have a lot of fun. I mean, sometimes it's stressful, but I'd say the amount of fun you have at the competitions makes up for all the stress of the build season. I do a lot of different things. I mean, I'm primarily in charge of the build team, so I'm working with tools. I'm doing stuff in CAD. I'm designing parts of the robot, but then I also help with the other stuff documenting the process. That's business team stuff, but I help with that too. So I'm kind of all over the place.